According to National Science Foundation, 80% of a person's thoughts are negative. So how can you control your mind considering such continuous attack? Many years ago, I noticed that I wasn't very happy in my life and my mood was generally negative. I started making numerous changes with varying levels of success. My breakthrough came when I changed what I watched on TV, listened on the radio, and read online. I shifted my daily routine to start my day consuming content that inspires me, makes me feel good about myself, and something that makes me laugh. We are what we eat not only applies to our body but to our mind too. Not every song is worth listening to. Not every movie or TikTok video is worth your time watching. And not every book or news article is worth your time reading. We must be intentional about what we feed our minds. In fact, we must put our minds on a positive content diet. Consuming negative content is detrimental to our minds and to our overall well-being. If this video helped you, please watch the next one showing on your screen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, there's greatness in you. This is Ken. Stay blessed, my friend.